Hello guys, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family. I believe you are doing good. Traders, we really love you so much, guys. Few days ago, we launched the Agatha TFX, TFX Agatha EA. And guys, I really want people to make money out of Forex. We all know that there is trillions of money in Forex market, and that is more than enough for all traders. And all what people miss or lack, it is the right tool and the right information and with the experienced people in Forex market so that they can make money. And when there is an opportunity, I always ask people, are you ready for an opportunity? You know, because of so many staffs or scammers failing in Forex market has made people fear even themselves, even when there is a good opportunity, when there is that golden opportunity, you will find that so many people don't grab, thinking maybe it is the same thing. Guys, even in your normal life, you are not supposed to judge your life with the past. You know, the things that makes people, let me give you an advice because I'm a good motivation speaker. uh, the worst thing that makes people fail in their life, it is the comparison of their history they know or the future or the things that happen in them. uh, what I'm trying here to say, there is a lot of opportunity in this life that can help you change your life completely, but because of the history, because of what you know, because of those, what can I call them, guys? Because of those things that, because of the past experience, and some even it's not their personal experience, but the history or the story that they had from people. Those are the things that puts you back. Those are the things that make you live in a stagnation life, or you always be stagnant in whatever you do. It is because of the past, history, and experience. Let me tell you, when you judge everything because of the past experience that you have, it is not bad, but it is good to know that even the good thing, when the good thing comes, you may fail to understand or to see it because of the past history or experience, guys. There is a lot of opportunity in this life, and I am telling you this, you can change your life if you go. You can reconcile with yourself and sometimes even forgive yourself so that you can continue. Anyway, I'm not there, guys. Here, I just want us to make a deal because there is more than enough in Forex market. I just want to be open with you guys because I really want even the trader with maybe you don't have, you are not well financial stable, and you really want to make it in market. You have been jumping from this system from to this system, blah 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 blah, until you fail and you still you doubt everything. You doubt even yourself if you will ever make in this forex market. And what I'm trying to say here, I just want to be open with you of how the system that you can start with, because there is a system here. We have all of our systems, they are so great, but there is a system that they require a big or a big equity. Because if you can see on my screen here, you can see we have the Flacticon, we have the 3D, we have the TFX Agatha, we have the one that you don't know, TFX Candle Trader, you don't know about that one. We have Classic, and we have the Dynamic HD. You don't know about the Dynamic HD, but you will see it soon. We have a golden EA. This is the perfect system for the gold and other indices. I will show you very soon. You saw the result I shared in our group yesterday. It was unbelievable. We have the hedge traders, and we have levels, and we have trade maker, MT4 trade maker. These are the all systems that we have, and they are working good. And we said we'll never release any system. Like for instance, I shared for the gold, and I haven't shared or released the gold, but next week, God willing, we'll release the gold EA, the golden EA. Now, I just want to give you an advice of the system that you can use to raise your account from $100. And point number one, and point to be noted here, any person with less than $200, please, with this system that I will tell you, this is a Flacticon, the Agatha. These two systems will help you raise smaller equity that you have. This is a Flacticon and the Agatha and Three Kings, sorry, and the Three Kings. Those you can raise from $100. And point to be noted here, the $100 should be in a cent account. People think that you can't make in cent account. Let me give you advice of what you do. If you're working with the EA, because that is what I want, because that is the complete and the perfect one, more than what you can do even manually, but trading manually, if you are good, no problem, our system works so great. I'm talking about the Flacticon EA, the Three Kings EA, and the Agatha EA to help those people have small equity in their account. Now, we have 13. You can see that on our channel group. We have 13 class one, the pairs that you can trade with the EAs like Flacticon, RENKO. Every system that with RENKO we have chosen for you guys. We have selected 13 pairs. They are working good and perfectly. 13 pairs, class one. You can watch them on you can see them, you can find them there on our Telegram channel group. Now, you have to select all 13 pairs. And you are, let's say, you are in a cent account. So 13 pairs, you can choose the equity you are supposed to use there. It is 0.20 micro lot, 0.2, not 0.0, not 0.02. No, 0.02 can't make money in a cent account. You'll make money, but it will take you, it will take a long. But 0.2, it's a good lot size that you can use with all 13 pairs. Let us do a small calculation. 0.2 by those 13 pairs, you'll find that it's like using 0.02 in a standard account. Using 0.02 in a standard account, it's very risky when you have $100. Don't be greedy. I just want to help you to make money and to change your financial status completely in 3 months, and using 0.2 in cent account before you upgrade that account to standard to standard account when you get like $500. Now 0.02, you can start with 0.2 in cent account. Write that down so that you cannot forget. Then from there, you'll be like using 0.2 for the standard account with that account of $100. Then this will help you, because out of 13, when some are in profit, some are in negative, you will always make money. And by the end of the day, you'll find that you are making from even 30 clean dollars, 20, 30, even if you can find from $100, $10 every day from the equity of $100, guys, that's good. You know, the bad thing with people, they're so greedy. They want the $100 to give them more than $100. And this is why people end up blowing their account. If $100 can give you at least from $50 per week, $50 per week, guys, that's a good money. 50. Have a weekly target, because some market, we can't control market. Sometimes market is not good. Sometimes there is no good entry. So, but if you can find like $50 per week out of $100 account, even if it can give you like $30, that is 30% growth of the account in a week. That is 30%. That means that you're very far, my friend. That is a good profit, having $30 per week, $30 to $50 and above per week in $100. Guys, you are good to go. And that you can make that money without blowing that account in cent account. Keep that in mind. In cent account, with a capital of $100, you can make even $50 per week, and you will never ever blow that account. Now, because I want us that I will share with a topic of account management and how you can do things greatly using the center account. But we have that video how you can grow from center account, and we'll launch the project very soon. Now, I just want to give because our latest system here, I think it is the Agatha system. The Agatha system, I can bet with you guys, I'm 100% sure you cannot blow your account, and you must make money with these Flacticon 3 things in Agatha. You can't blow account, but you need to follow some rules. Now, because I want people to grow, I just want to give you a Agatha system with just $150 for lifetime. And this offer will only last for 2 weeks. By the end of the month, we are done, because I just want everybody to grab this golden opportunity and to start making money. We are almost in deck when people want money to celebrate their Christmas, blah, 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 things like that. Oh, hey, let us start preparing ourselves. Let us start making that money. We are in the days that people are experiencing a lot of shit because of this coronavirus, because of this COVID-19. It has affected every nation, the whole world. Then we want people to make money. And in order for you to be able to purchase our other system, because you want to, people are purchasing, that's, I can't lie, and thank you so much, guys. In order for those people with small accounts and they want to grow, guys, I will give you the Agatha system. It's very simple and accurate. The Agatha system, it's the only system. The other system we will try all our best to upgrade. It is the only system that can trade candles and the RENKO at the same time. With a EA, the robot can trade candles and can trade the EA as you wish, the RENKO as you wish. So it is the perfect double-edged sword, is it? No, people say, hey, double-edged sword is the word of God. This is another double-edged sword of killing market with the RENKO and with the candle. So I will just introduce a few things because I don't want the video to be that long. I will not introduce so many things. I will just introduce how to work with it either manually or the same thing. It is the same thing that the EA can apply with the same thing. The good thing is we will send you the complete template so that you cannot get confused. So this is complete, and this is a sure bet. This is, I can bet with people, guys. The Agatha, the TFX Agatha system is the beast, and it is the one that I want you to use, or Flacticon. But the Flacticon, we are not giving it for the offer because that one was it's already done. We are only doing this with the Agatha system. Let us go direct now. Let us start here. We can pick some few pairs here, so that we can give a good example. Let us go to GBP USD and let us create a RENKO chart as usual. Let us start with the RENKO chart. I will also show you how to do it with the manual. Save. Yeah, let us save this template. I love to replace it with Williams. Let us go to our offline chart, USD, GBP, USD. And when now it comes to a template, we have here a TFX manual, and we have also a TFX Agatha EA. Now, let us say you want to work with the TFX manual. Yeah, let us start with the manual. This is what we want to start. The best of the best things, it is very easy and accurate system. Now, this is the area of our manual system, and this is when you want to work with it, with the RENKO. Guys, see, I think everything is clear, my friend. Now, as you can see now, in this, our TradeMaster, this is TradeMaster version 2, which it's something that now it's filtering then all the noisy. Now you can see we have the arrow here, and our TFX Agatha, it's here. After filtering all that one, you can see the entry point is there. What do you want? What do you see, guys? Let us put let us draw this line here. Let us draw this our vertical. Let us change it color to make it clear to everyone. As you can see, we have a TFX or RENKO histogram here. It has already changed into this. This is not red. I know men will say that is red and blue. This is not red. This is a fire brick. Anyway, let me call it red, but it's a fire brick color. As you can see, it was already preparation that there is a cell. And all you need to look here, it is this arrow and our resistance or the support from the TFX Agatha. And then from that place, as you can see, when the moment this one will change, our TFX trade master change the color from yellow to red, that is a sell point. That is a sell point from all that way you can see to this place. As you can see, the more, my friend, to this area. Now let's go back again, our second entry, because it's still a down trade. We are looking just a small at this resistance again from TFX Agatha, and then the changing color of this one, then that is a good trade. Now from there, the trade has changed from that area. Now it's a bullish. From there, we have an arrow here, and we have, this is the signal arrow, and this is the entry arrow. There is something I want you to see here. You know, there is no, you can't see the entry arrows here, but it was there. We don't want so many arrows here to cause any confusion. This one you can see, after this reversal, there was another TFX Agatha here, and this is another entry to re-enter, because this is the first entry. There was an arrow here, and the changing color of this TM, then you can enter the trade. This was the first entry, the second entry, and this is the third entry. And in this second entry, the entry arrows was still there. And as you can see now, the market changed from this red or fire bricks to this blue. Now, after this reversal again, you can see for yourself that the market again went into blue, and we were going there. And because we have another support, because you are not supposed to buy or to sell if there is no support from the Agatha. If there is no that support, don't buy on, don't sell. But if there is that support, and now you can see it's a buy trade, this is another entry, and this is another entry, and we have the entry arrow that will be helping you to enter the trades. That is when you are trading with Agatha RENKO system manually. And the same thing I showed you here, it is the same thing will be traded by the robot. So the robot will only take these trades after the Agatha and the change the color of this one and our TM trading master. The robot will pick the trades automatically. Even if it will pick, it will exit or take the profit, it will re-enter the trade again at this point and at this point. The best thing with this robot, there is no losses. Why am I telling you that? Before the TM filter, the noisy guys, before the TM, before the TM filter the noise, the market can change that direction and continue dropping. And in case of anything, there is nothing even to use the stop loss with this system. Why? Because if the market will enter that trade at this point and the market continue dropping and break this support, it will close that trade automatically. And you have seen this, sometimes the market can break and continue dropping, like it will never look back again. The system will close that with small loss, and from there then it will continue. It will buy or sell according to the direction of the market to recover the loss. That is the best of the best thing. But another thing you need to understand here, when it comes to a robot, we have now a supreme that will help you to secure the trade. So even there is no need even to use the take profit, but you can use it anyway if you wish to. But the robot is so complete, it can. There is no need to use those take profit, blah, blah, but you can use them if you wish to. But the supreme, after entering that market at this point, let's say, for instance, at this point, there was the entry point. Then from there, the robot will take trade the moment this sell supreme will appear. Can you see? It's a good profit because it can hold. Let me draw this vertical line here to show you where, because that is where our supreme is. So now from here, that is profit to this place because the robot can identify that they can be a support here, because if you can see there is a support here, a resistance here. So there is a high probability for that market to reverse. So from that point, before the market think whether it will reverse or not, the robot will pick the trade. And how much pips do you think you can get from that point, guys, with this robot? Because that is the entry point. That is 253 pips. This is why I'm telling you, don't use TP. Why? Because maybe you would have been exit the market with 50 or 20 pips, but the robot will give you a good pips. But if you close even the trades manually, there is no problem. The robot will also enter the market if there is another opportunity. Let us see another thing from that entry point. This is where the sell is. The robot will take that sell at this point. Why? Because we have a supreme after exiting market from this area. I really love this robot because this is why almost all of our robots, we have filtered them now. We have coded them with the supreme because we want people to be sure, and we want people to secure all to milk the good profit. And for those people with the Flacticon, guys, if you haven't contacted me, you need to contact me so that you can have the Flacticon with the supreme. There's only Flacticon. Now, this is another trade. This is the our supreme here. We have arrow here. This is our entry point, guys. From there, from this point, I don't know. I'm very excited because of this system. Another 270 pips. Again, our entry point is here. After filtering that, you can see we have our supreme, and you can see our histogram here. It's saying sell. Another one sell here. So another sell was taken at this point from that one, because this is where again we find another supreme, that is 289 pips. Do you want I to continue counting like that? No, that is a wastage of time because the system is totally complete. Now, that is when you are tracking trades through the EA. But manually, we don't have this supreme. But also you can use the supreme when trading manually, so that it can help you also to secure or to take the TP whenever you see the supreme. But my question is this: why should you use trade manually the thing that it's already automated? Okay, but because it is your hobby and maybe it is what you love to do, you can still do it the way I'm showing you here, the way the robot will be doing. So you can be the robot by yourself, professional by yourself, or else you can, and this is why I'm telling people, you can trade, you can learn and earn at the same time. So with this system, even if you are using, let's say you are using 0.2 in cent account. This means from here to here, guys, or even from this place to here, how much is this? This is 450 pips. Trust me, you can't miss like 10 clean dollars. True or false? 0.2, 420 pips, guys. You can't miss a 10. It's from the cent account, but you can make like more than even $10, right? And this is why I'm telling you that you can make more than $50 in cent account in every week. And this tells you by the end of the month with the same account, you'll grow account even to $300 because it will make like $200. Then from there you can shift to standard account, because in standard with $300, then you can start the standard account. But my advice here, you can continue adjusting the the lot size until you get $500. So you can jump when you get to $200. Now you can start with the trade of 0.4 from 0.2, because you have double the account. 0.4 to $300. How much is that? 0.6. And by the end of the day, you'll be making even more than $100. Trust me, clean money. You just need to think about the way of trading, but I will show you that in another video. What else can I say? Let's jump to candles, because I'm done. It's very simple as that, because we'll send you the templates that contains the robot. The only thing you need to do there, it is to create the Renko chart. After creating the Renko chart, you place the template, and from there the robot will start picking as you continue trading or practicing manually. Now I'm going to do this now for when you want to trade manually. If you want to trade manually, let us pick which we can pick any of these. You need to work with two pairs. If it is GPP or Euro JPY, I will give an example with that one. You need two pairs. The one pair is where you are picking trade in from. Now, in our template, you will find that we have TFX Agatha handle. You are supposed to select that one. And because you want to pick the trades from here, my advice is this: attach that template into 4 hours time frame. Let me show you something here. 4 hours time frame, and the time frame to take trade, it's 1 hour time frame. If you want to take these trades for a long trade, or you want to hold for more pips, and if you are a scalper, you can use a lower time frame. There is no problem, but the signal should come from H4. Getting my point? Now, whenever there is, you can see this is the 1 hour and the daily support. 1 hour, and this is the 1 hour and daily resistance again. And another one when the resistance turns into support. I believe you have learned the basics of this one, because this one was the resistance, and after that one, the resistance became a support. I know you know those basics, guys. Now, this is another one, daily and 1 hour time frame. So you need to stick in 4 hours when picking the signal, because in 4 hours, it can tell you whether you are in a daily or a monthly or a weekly resistance. That is the best thing. The second chart, it is where now you'll be taking your trades, where you'll be trading from. Now, let's say you want to take the trades in H1 because you are a day trader, because there is a difference between a day trader and a scalper. So a day trader should work from 1 hour time frame, and the scalper is 4:15 and lower time frame 15:30 and 5 minutes. I know there's some people who love to use 5 minutes. I will show you what to do, my friend. Now, jumping to 1 hour, what do you see here, guys? We have a support here, which tells you here is for 4 hours and daily, but now we don't care about this one. We just want to see the system drawing the support here. Now, and because we are coming from from this support, it was a good buy, and this is why you take your buy at this point. What do you see here, guys? Our TFX Trade Master, my friend, tells you this is the entry point. This is the entry point. Confidently, because in 4 hours it is a buy thing. Now, the same thing, we have this resistance here, which is this one, which indicates here a daily resistance, which has become a daily support. But when we go into 1 hour, what do you see, guys? There is a entry arrowhead there telling you now it is confirmed that now the daily resistance has become a support, and from there now the entry arrow tells you now what do you want to do. Now, not what you want to do, it's tell you buy, because now it is a complete and a confirmed trade that now a daily resistance has become a daily support. And from there, it's a buy good deal. And when this arrow appeared here, there, it tells you what? Secure the profit, because maybe the market now can drop. And because you don't want to guess, you want to secure the profit, secure the profit. What do our TFX histograms tells you? It is a blue thing. When you hear it's a blue thing, it is a buy thing. Whenever you see a fire bricks or a red thing, it is a sell thing, but not without the TFX Agatha. Now here it is a good buy because there is a all confirmation. We have support, we have blue, and in 4 hours, that is what the game is going. La 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 la. Let's go to my favorite card, JPY. I really love this card, this currency. Let's go to 4 hours time frame, and let us insert what we are supposed to insert here, which is TFX handle, because now we are reading from 4 hours time frame. What is there, guys? As you can see, let us go to 1 hour time frame, and let us see now we are doing scalping to 15 minutes. And what are we supposed to do? Insert the TFX Agatha manual template. It's very, 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 very exciting, guys, because I really want to see people changing their life. There we go. Card JPY. What is the card JPY is telling you there with the TFX handle? Buy thing. From where? From a weekly and daily support and resistance. Many people, they don't know how to use this one. See how 1 hour, but this 1 hour where? In 4 hours time frame. So from there, guys, it is a buy thing. There is nothing like sell here, because now it is a buy thing. There is no resistance there. So while we are looking here, it is for the buy thing. Buy thing from where? Here, here, and here. Don't say here, here, here. Not only here. There was an arrow here, our entry arrow at this point, and at this point after the changing color of this one. Don't enter even if the arrow can appear and our trading master is still at red. Don't buy until the trade master, then when it changes color and there is a entry arrow here, guys, buy. Another arrow here after small reversal, buy, and another buy. No, what else do you want me to tell you, guys? It's time to make money. It's time to milk money, guys, with a simple and accurate system. What? See, the histogram is telling you it is still a buy thing. From where? It is still a buy thing from here. And the trade buy. And what was the 4 hours telling you? A buy thing, guys. So there is nothing else. The system is so simple, professional, and accurate. Grab this opportunity that will end in 2 weeks. And remember, if you still purchase the EA for the Agatha is $500. The manual, it is $150, because I just want you to make money in order to be able to purchase the EA. So start with the manual with $150, then make money, guys. Make money and then purchase the EA. Simple as that. Contact us, either me or TFX, Queen FX. Then tell us what you think or what you want, then we can assist you. Thank you so much, guys. Don't want to talk much about the system because it's totally simple and accurate. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. We love you and we adore you, and let us build together. And if you will be left behind, it's not my fault. Fight your fear and poverty mindset and forget about the past. Let us grab this golden opportunity. Thank you.